This time, fix a fuel supply issue in our Piaggio X Evo. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Right, so we've been suffering fuel starvation problems, or what feel like fuel starvation problems with the scooter. So we're going to have a look at the engine compartment and see if we can see anything obvious. Hopefully it's nothing expensive like the pump. Okay, so underside of the bike revealed. To get at the engine, got this cover here, just need to undo the two screws and take it off. Okay, screws off, it simply lifts out of the way. So what have we got? We've got the engine here, carburetors here, there's your intake manifolds there and there. And interestingly, this pipe seems to be loose. This looks like a vacuum pipe, it probably controlled a fuel switch. So I wonder if it's as simple as that. And that's come off there, something like that. It's very loose. Or has it come off there? Oh, let's put it on, crank it over. You never know. Okay, let's try it out. Oh, that was ridiculously easy. Well, that seemed to fix it. This is obviously, like I said, it's a vacuum to a switch. It uses negative pressure from the manifold to put a switch open. That's really loose. So what I'll do is I'll trim it back, maybe put a little spring on it to tighten it up and replace it, and then we shouldn't have any more problems. Yeah, I've got enough to trim a little bit off, I think. Should be able to just trim it back a tiny bit. A bit more tension. Yeah, feels good. Just got a clip now to hold it in place. Well, I should suspect this problem before actually. I had something very similar with a Honda a few years back. So put these clamps on, little brass clamps should be enough just to stop it being pulled off again. Hopefully. There we go. Oh, that's nice and firm. So you can see now that's in place. There's a little switch in there, a little pressure switch. This is creating negative pressure. That's opening a little diaphragm switch up in there, which is letting the fuel out. And we have petrol supply. Simples. That was really simple. All we're going to do now is button the bike back up and we're done. So we'll just do that now. Took it over perfectly, beautiful. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, thank you very much for watching.